Hello everybody, today we're going to make this very simple and delicious blueberry biscuit dessert. Here are the ingredients. I have 2 blueberry biscuit roll, brown sugar or coconut sugar, 1 stick of unsalted butter, heavy whipping cream, and about 1 pound of frozen blueberry. You can use any berry you like. So first, I will break the blueberry biscuit open and then take all the biscuit out, and we'll lay it on the 9 by 13 inches baking pan, and make sure to grease the pan really well before you place the biscuit in there. So we'll take out and we'll save the icing sugar for later. For this biscuit roll, 1 roll it will contain about 10 biscuits in there, okay? You only need 2 rows of them, about 20 biscuits. That should be enough for this recipe. Alright, I will continue to place all the biscuit on my pan, and I will be right back, show you what is the next step to do, okay? Also, if you would like to check out more of my other video like food and dessert, you can go ahead and check in the description box below. I will list the link below, okay? Alright, so now I will pour the heavy whipping cream over the biscuit. That will help cook the biscuit and also make the biscuit really fluffy and soft, okay? So we'll pour over each of the biscuit. Don't put too much as well, it will be really wet, okay? After that, I will add about 1 pound of frozen blueberry in there. If you like strawberry or any other berry, it's up to you. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. That will make a big difference and help this small channel grow as well. So once you're done with that, try to spread all the blueberry out evenly so that every piece of the biscuit will have a piece of blueberry in there as well, okay? Alright, so now in a microwave safe bowl or cup, I will melt about half a cup or 1 stick unsalted butter and then melt into the microwave. And then I will add in about 3/4 cups of brown sugar or coconut sugar, and then we'll mix that together. Alright, all my viewers and my subscribers, I want you to leave a comment down below. Let me know, have you ever tried this simple blueberry biscuit dessert before? And how do you like the dessert? Okay, so now it's done. So we'll pour the brown sugar butter mixture on top of the blueberry and biscuit, okay? That will enhance the sweetness of that dessert. You won't believe how good it is. This dessert is really simple and very easy to make. Your family gonna love it. It's easy to make for brunch, for any breakfast, or for any gathering, or any family come over, friend come over. So it's perfect treat for your family, okay? So I will get every bit of the brown sugar in there. Alright, now that's how it look like. So in order for this dessert to cook perfectly, we'll have to cover with foil. So we'll put that into the oven at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes. And I can't wait to show you how the result is and how it looked like. So we'll be right back after 30 minutes, okay? Alright, so I already took it out from the oven for about 5 minutes or so. Look at that, how beautiful that is. Now we'll pour over the icing sugar in there. I already warm it up in the microwave and then drizzle all over to your blueberry biscuit dessert. That looks so good. And the smell is amazing. Wow, look at that. How easy that is. It's a perfect dessert for everybody. Look at that. All the blueberry are very nice color. My goodness, I can't wait to try it. Alright, so now it's time to taste it. The biscuit is really soft and fluffy, and because we pour the heavy whipping cream in there, that help make the biscuit very moist and tasty. Looks so good. So you have to try it. Until next time.